Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to disable touch screen on Windows 11. If you want to turn off the touch screen on your Windows 11 device, here's how you can do it. Whether you're using a 2-in-1 laptop, a Surface, or just prefer using a mouse and keyboard, that's when you need to disable touch screen on Windows 11, right? So, in order to do that, first press Windows plus X on your keyboard and select Device Manager from the menu that appears. Once Device Manager opens, look for Human Interface Devices and click the arrow next to it and expand the list. Now, find the option that says HID Compliant Touch Screen. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Just click yes and that's it. Your touch screen is now disabled. If you ever want to turn it back on, just head back to the same spot in Device Manager, right click the touch screen option again and select Enable Device. And there you have it. Your touch screen is off and your device is now full non-touch mode, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.